Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return myself, updated. Start by gathering W-2s, Form 1099, receipts, and your Social Security number, then choose software or paper filing and decide whether to itemize or take the standard deduction. Enter income, claim deductions and credits, verify withholding, and review for errors before submitting electronically or mailing your return with proof of postage. Keep records for at least 3 years and save confirmation emails for audits. Get comfortable and set aside an hour or two to prepare your documents in one sitting. Open your preferred tax software or lay out paper forms like Form 1040 and schedule a if itemizing. Enter wages and 1099 income carefully, then add deductible expenses and credits. Double-check Social Security numbers and bank routing for direct deposit. Save a PDF or print a copy and keep proof of submission for your records. If you are Eurostrade finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making straightforward tax help. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after long tax sessions, because filing often lasts longer than expected. Aya Eurostrade linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose e-filing for speed and error reduction, or mail your return if you prefer paper. Follow prompts to enter income, claim credits like the child tax credit, and include deductions whether standard or itemized. Review your return line by line, correct common mistakes like transposed numbers, and confirm your filing status. Submit, save the confirmation number, and set a calendar reminder to track your refund or any follow-up notices from the tax agency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.